Hello and welcome. In this video, we will make form using HTML and CSS, and this is how our form will look like. So for this video, I'll be using Visual Studio Code. I have added link. I have added link to download Visual Studio Code, and you have to just click on this and download stable version for whatever system you are using. So this window you will get after successfully downloading your Visual Studio Code. So go to File and open folder where we will create our HTML file and CSS file. So this folder I am selecting. Select folder, and this window you will get. So we will create a new file. I'll name it form.html, and we will press exclamation and then tab. So we will get this boilerplate code. Now I'll quickly change title to form tutorial, and in the body we will add div tag, and inside div we will add a form tag, and for we don't need any action attribute, so I'll remove it. Then we will add a header and write here form, and now I'll add label, and I'll write here name. Then I'll add input tag, so I don't need name and ID. I'll remove it, and I'll add placeholder, and I'll write here enter name, and I'll copy these two. First I'll also add here break tag, similarly here break tag, and copy this and paste it for name, for email and password. So I'll change here from name to email, and I'll write here email, and I'll change type to email. Similarly, I'll write here password, and change its type to password, and change placeholder text to enter password, and save it. And I'll also add a button, submit button, and write here submit, and save it. And right click on form.html and click to reveal in Explorer, and double click to form.html. So this is how we are getting our form now. So let's quickly add CSS to it. So move back to our Visual Studio Code, and move, and I'll quickly add link for external CSS file. So I'll angular bracket link, and then relation style sheet, and href, and I'll write here style dot css, closing angular bracket, and save it. and we will quickly add style.css that we want to link to our HTML. Enter. And first of all, we will change body color to body background color to light blue. Save it, refresh. So we have successfully linked external CSS to our HTML file. So here we will create a class form and add width property and give it width of 500 pixels. We will also add border of 1 pixel width, type solid and color black, and save it, refresh. So let's go back to form.html and apply class here by adding class attribute. So we will write here form, save it and refresh. So we have given width to it and border to it. So similarly we will add padding here. So I'll add padding 30 pixel top and bottom. Sorry, I'll add 40 pixel top and bottom and 30 pixel left right. Save it and refresh. So we have successfully applied padding to it. So this is how our form will look like. So this is how our form is now. So let's quickly make more changes to it. Go to form, just add a horizontal row, refresh. So we have successfully placed a horizontal row in form, and now we will change its background color to white. And I'll change border width to 2 pixel. Save. And we will also add margin 30 pixel top and bottom and auto to left and right. So refresh. So this is how now our form is looking. Let's quickly add a class header and give it property text align, text hyphen align, and set it to center. Save it, refresh. Sorry, we have not applied header class to h1 tag, so I'll write here class attribute and header. Save it, refresh. So now our form text is in center now. So I'll quickly, now I want to change input tag. So input, I change its width to 480 pixel and height to 30 pixel. So refresh. So we have increased width and height of input tag. We will also add border to it. We will add 1 pixel white, solid, and of black color. Similarly, we will add border radius of 15 pixel. Save it and refresh. So I'll make it 5 pixel and refresh. So this is how we have changed our input tag. Let's also change placeholder, for which we will write colon and then placeholder curly braces, and I'll change font size to 28 pixel and color to black. Save it, refresh. So let's control this, let's remove size and refresh. So this is how our input tag is looking. Now I'll quickly add margin to input tag. So I'll write here margin bottom and I'll add 20 pixel margin. Save, refresh. So we have placed 20 pixel margin to input tag, 20 pixel margin bottom to input tag. And now quickly go to form and change font size to 30 pixel. Save it, refresh. So now label size will change, and this is how now form will look. So this is how form is looking. Now let's change background of our form. So I'll remove this background color and write here background and then write URL function, and inside this I will specify the image I want to set to background. So I'll choose landscape.jpg and Ctrl S and refresh. So we have successfully set background image. Now let's change button color. So I'll write here button and I'll add some border radius to it of 5 pixel and background color to light blue. Save it, refresh. So we have successfully changed button background color. Let's also add padding to it. So I'll add 10 pixel to top and bottom and 15 pixel to left and right and refresh. So we have successfully added padding to our button. Let's quickly add padding to placeholder text. So I'll write here padding left and I'll write here 20 pixel. Control S, refresh. So we have successfully placed padding to it. Let's increase its font size. Font size to 20 pixel. Let's check, refresh. Let's change its black from black to gray. So now it is looking better. Now let's quickly add border radius to form. So I'll write here border radius to 5 pixel or 10 pixel. Save it, refresh. So we have applied some border radius to our form border, and now let's change font of form. So I'll write here font family, and I'll change it to monospace. Refresh. So we have changed label font. Similarly, we will change form header font. So in header class we will write font family, and change it to courier. Save, refresh. So we have changed form header. Let's apply some more padding to this input button. So I'll go to input and apply padding of 10 pixel. Save it, refresh. So now our form is looking much better. Let's add more padding to submit button and change its form size. So inside button we will add font family of monospace and add more padding. So I'll change it to 15 and change this to 20. Save and refresh, and I'll also increase its font size to 28 pixel. Refresh. So now we have successfully created form using HTML and CSS. So let's quickly write here our name. So I'll write here Anirudh. Let's change font size of input. So I'll write here font hyphen size to 20 pixel, and also add, let's save it and refresh and write here name. So I'll write here Anirudh, then email. And write here password and submit. So we have successfully created a form using HTML and CSS, and thanks for watching my video.